Okay, so this is how you use a Google Draw. So this is what I did. I just copy and paste an image of the job I would get after I graduate. So or to highlight the qualifications, you would just highlight the qualifications itself. Go to highlight color. I already did it, so click what the color you want. Then you would box in the job title, which is Army Officer. What I did with this is I went to insert, draw, let's see, insert, draw, new. I used the line, scribble, draw a box, save and close. And I just moved it on top of the title and I put it in front of text to do that. After I circled ROTC because that is the company name, there's no salary listed. So that will be it. And then I would just, yep, that's about it.